Top 10 Drug Rehabs in Cape Coral. Treating drug addiction has never been easy and simple. People that are going through addiction who wish to recover from it must look for the right help and treatments in the right rehab. One's safety and comfort must be prioritized as the treatment process is tough and painful. Here are the top 10 drug rehabs in Cape Coral. Number 10. Amethyst Recovery Center offers cutting-edge, evidence-based treatment programs in a resort-style setting. They have 5-star rated amenities with an inviting and comforting atmosphere, and a residential treatment center that has semi-private bedrooms and safe space. Number 9. Florida Center for Recovery. They have worked to provide the most effective treatments to their clients, and their rehab programs are the most comprehensive models available. Integrated approaches to treat both addiction and co-occurring disorders. Their addiction treatment includes programs, science-based, holistic, and alternative therapies, pregnant women with addiction track, and more. Number 8. Unity Behavioral Health provides the highest quality treatment services in an upscale environment at an affordable and reasonable price. Helps individuals and families defeat addiction as they treat the whole person as well as underlying conditions. Their team consists of highly credentialed and experienced professionals. Number 7. United Recovery Project. This treatment center offers a full spectrum of care, comprehensive programs, and custom-tailored treatment plans for each of its clients. Their holistic approach focuses on healthy habits and coping mechanisms to manage negative emotions and behaviors, recognize triggers, and win over difficult circumstances. Number 6. Park Royal Hospital. Not only do they have many impressive and experienced medical staff, but also offer life-changing treatments and a continuum of care, detox, inpatient, and outpatient programs. Inpatient treatment is built with multidisciplinary teams of psychiatrists, social workers, therapists, and 24-hour nursing staff. Number 5. Florida Treatment for Change has licensed mental health clinicians and certified behavioral health technicians. Staff offers individualized treatment plans with a holistic approach centered on recovery and compassionate care for their clients. Number 4. Salus Care, a not-for-profit mental health and substance abuse treatment care services provider incorporated in 2013. Their fees are affordable and can be adjusted depending on the household income, providing program services regardless of disability or handicap. Number 3. Serenity Recovery Living has 24/7 on-site staff and provides a safe, healthy environment and affordable living arrangements. They understand various types of addiction and personalities and promote abstinence, long-term recovery, and participation in 12-step programs guided by spiritual principles. Number 2. The Next Step, an outpatient substance abuse provider with a 6-month supportive living environment. Their programs are based on 12-step principles and supervised by professional staff. Offers the highest level of on-site support to the recovering individuals by being honest and respecting their patients, as well as their employees. Number 1. Horizons Recovery. This treatment center offers detailed and tailored detox and treatment programs with therapies and approaches. Gourmet chef, private bathrooms in every room, art therapy, 24-hour transportation, Xbox and PlayStation, and more. They also provide a beautiful environment that their clients can surely relax and recover. Beat drug addiction and recover successfully by getting the right treatments in the best rehab that will provide all your needed treatments, care, safety, and satisfaction. If you have any questions, please call us on our 24/7 available hotlines.